Hey traders, welcome to the trade recap of this week. I'm going to show you two trades, one on NAS, one on crude oil, and both they are a consolidation trade. So let's start with the first one of NAS, happened last Wednesday, just before some red news. So let's go through it again step by step, what we see and if it checked all the boxes on our checklist and where we could have entered. All right, so I have the 5-minute chart in front of me from NAS. Since we are having a consolidation, we want to have the current market profile on the right, so I've done that as well. And next to it, of course, the footprint. So I want to zoom in a bit more on this area because this is my area of interest. What you see happening here is we have again the imbalance dots showing that there are some imbalances at the top of the candle, and we have some candles literally moving next to each other. So price wants to do something, but we don't know yet what. So we're going to check all the information that we can find here on our chart. So first of all, we see some high volume levels on the right side happening during this price movement. So let me just put a rectangle over it so you can see where I'm actually looking at. So we have the imbalances here, and then we see this movement happening. Price moving next to each other for a couple candles. Let's put that in red so you can see it a bit better. So price is here consolidating. So that's good. We got the high volume, we got consolidation. Now let's check out on the footprint what else we have. Okay, so we saw the imbalances here at the top. Now let's check the candle. Are we having stacked imbalances? 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 15, 0, 23. We definitely have here stacked imbalances. Pretty strong as well. We got this here in like 5 clusters. That's pretty good. We have also like quite the volume increase. It's going from 650 to 1800. That's quite the volume increase. But because we're also having here the consolidation, we want to have the move that it's breaking out of that consolidation as well. So we want to have our red delta kicking in. So we have here green delta first. And then after, we're having quite the red delta on the candle here 4 p.m. So let's zoom in which candle that is. So we have consolidation here and then boom, candle of 4 p.m. High volume and quite the delta as well, minus 260. So price is moving upwards, as you can see, like a compression movement. And then we got also a volume increase. We had 1800. So price is moving here, and because we want to have that delta shift as well, we want to have that push down, breaking this consolidation. And that's happening exactly in this candle at 4 p.m. You might think, okay, where do I want to enter? Because we have all our confirmations here, right? We got the high volume because it's really rejecting this high volume here. We got the breakout as well because it's breaking out of that consolidation. We got the stacked imbalances. We have our volume increase, 1800 back to 1800 in the breakout. And we have our green delta going to minus 270. All right, so we want to have our entry after the candle close of that breakout. So let's mark that up. This is our candle close. We want to be safe, so we put the stop loss just above those stacked imbalances. Okay. And because this is indices, we want to do our TP of 50 pips. That's a safe TP. So we know that it's like a quick TP as well. So as you can see, price is moving back to that retest and again rejecting that level. So as you can see, price is moving back to our consolidation and then after, literally like a very quick TP. So that was trade number 1. Let's go to our second trade that was on oil. on the 22nd of November. I want to show that one as well because now I'm showing like two consolidation trades after another. It gives you like a better image of how these entries work, how to recognize them, and that they also work on different pairs. So on the 22nd of November, again, during US session, more volume, right? You can see price is moving next to each other. So we see also a lot of volume here on the right in our market profile. So again, let's mark up our consolidation, which is here. We got our consolidation. Price is moving next to each other. And as you see as well here in that wick, we have our imbalances. Let's double check again in our footprint to see the confirmations that we want to have from the checklist. Alright, so as you can see, price is moving upwards and then the consolidation is starting. So we're having the price moving upwards. We have quite the volume increase. It's going from 740 to 4,300. Now that's a volume increase for sure. And then price is moving next to each other, our consolidation. You see that is a lot of volume as well here lining up with our market profile. So what we want to see is price is breaking out of that consolidation movement, but of course with our confirmations. So first of all, we have our imbalance dot here. Let's double check. We have here a 10-0, 34-0. Stacked imbalances, check. The next thing we want to see, we want to have our delta shift. It's going from red in our consolidation towards a big green when it's going out of that consolidation. You can see that volume increase as well, going from 1,000, 2,400, 3,600, and that candle is also showing the breakout and the 190 plus delta. That's what we want to see. We want to see that confirmation that is breaking out, like it's reversing or bouncing off this high volume levels as well. So when we have that, we want to have our entry again from that candle closing. We want to have our safe stop loss, which is from those imbalances, and then we're aiming for a 1.5 R. So let's do that. And as you can see, there is no drawdown and price just moved upwards. So it's a very clean consolidation, really nice breakout, like it's bouncing off this high volume level, and price kept on going upwards. So these were the two trades I really wanted to show you from this week. And if you got any questions, just let us know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you all in our server.